Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Pakistan, a land of breathtaking beauty and diverse landscapes. Pakistan is where nature thrives in its purest form, from the majestic peaks of the Karakoram to the serene valleys of Swat and Hunza. This country is a paradise for nature lovers. Explore the deserts, the lush green meadows, and the crystal clear lakes that sparkle like jewels under the sun. Feel the warmth of our hospitality, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and soak in the stunning views all around you.
Pakistan!
Pakistan.
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 Pakistan!
Pakistan. Pakistan.
Pakistan!
Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Pakistan! Pakistan!